Jacob Connor, my first real love. I still feel like the young 17-year-old girl who fell in love with you dreaming of our wedding day. And we're finally here.
Jacob has been a very special person to us. We thought we were done with 4, but we had 5.
Jacob is the baby of the family, so somehow he ended up being the favorite.
You know, you pray for the right mate your whole life for your children, and we've been lucky to have been blessed that that has happened to us.
Since the beginning of our relationship, it always felt that it was meant to be.
I'll never forget our first date, in quotes, at the river at night. It was just so easy. I fell in love with you at 17 for so many reasons, and over the last few months, I started jotting down some of those reasons. You always laugh at my jokes. You listen to all the stories I have to tell. You're always there to encourage me when I'm down, and you're just unapologetically you.
I think the biggest thing is that they stayed together as long as they did, being a long-distance relationship. I mean, they were 2.5 hours away from each other, and that's a tough thing to do in college.
College was a new chapter for us, navigating life without parents. Living on our own and going to separate schools was something that scared me. I didn't know we were going to make it, but we took it day by day, and God did the rest.
And it just tells you a lot about who they are and what they are.
Well, come here. Stop standing there. You look so happy. Gorgeous. Love it, babe.
This is a great gift. I know today when I see you, you'll be the most gorgeous bride I could ever dream of.
We're so proud of both of you, and we're so thrilled that you're part of our family. Your parents have done a great job raising you. That's evident in the kind of relationship you have already.
Abby has a gift for caring for others and creating a loving environment. I can tell you without hesitation that Abigail will dote on you, spoil you, care for you. I know that Jacob adores you, desires to please you. I know that you will be cared for and loved and treasured and kept safe.
I, Jacob, take you, Abigail, to be my wife,
I, Abigail, take you, Jacob, to be my husband.
to have and to hold it from this day forward, for better or worse, richer or poor.
In sickness and in health, and to love and to cherish, and pledge to you my very own life, till death do we part.
I acknowledge that the two of you are husband and wife, and Jacob, you may kiss your bride.
Jacob is the baby. You know why? Because our parents didn't plan him. Hey, but somehow they'll always be the favorite. But to